special because we got the one and only so today we are going to make a very delicious dish from Zenbu. It's a restaurant in Jakarta, and one of my favorite dish from Zenbu is the Mozaru, which is the baked rice topped with mozzarella cheese. So today it's a very easy recipe. It's very easy to follow. Happy baby. Even Haley's very excited to cook. Such a cutie. By the way, I'm gonna link Haley's Instagram page in my description box. So if you want to see more of Haley, follow her on Instagram. She's got very cute photos, very cute videos, as you can see. So first of all, we're gonna make the sauce. So this is a dynamite sauce that you guys can use to top sushi with. So in this bowl right here, I've got some kewpie, some fish roll, tomato sauce. People usually use chili sauce, but I'm gonna use chili powder here. And I thin the whole thing with a bit of milk. I've got sesame oil, and basically the exact recipe, I'm gonna put it in my description box. So we're just gonna mix everything up together. Show us your hands. Show us your hands. Alright, so we've got the sauce ready here. After mixing, it's very simple. You can basically use this sauce for anything. Good for dips, good for sushi, good for sandwich spread. Basically, it's very versatile. It's a good recipe to have. And I also have here some chicken schnitzel, which I have fried. I pan fried it just to crisp it up a little bit and to cook the chicken. And then I cut it in half. I also have a bit of salmon here. I cooked it with a bit of soy sauce. And I added a bit of sesame oil too. Okay, so we've got everything ready here basically. Now all we need to do is just to make the rice. So I'm just gonna give Haley to my sister for a bit because we're gonna do some mixing. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye 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 bye. Say bye. Okay, here's a close-up of Haley. For the rice, I've got some white rice that is still warm in the rice cooker bowl, and I'm just gonna prepare the ingredient to be added to the rice. So right here, I've got some salted butter with garlic powder, parsley. I'm using dried parsley, and if you don't have garlic powder, you can use fresh garlic here. And we're just gonna add it to the rice, and we're just gonna mix it while it's still warm, and we're gonna leave it to the side. Alright, so that's basically it for the prep. We're just gonna assemble now. It's very quick, very easy. This is the perfect midweek dinner because it doesn't take too long at all to prepare. I'm just gonna put some of it in this tray because we're gonna bake it in the oven later. We're gonna top it with a lot of cheese so that it's super nice and melted. Okay, let's get a bit closer for the assembly. So we are now just gonna put it in the oven. Keep in mind that you need to preheat your oven with the top heat only. We don't need bottom heat or fan force. We just need the top heat to pretty much melt the cheese on top. And we are gonna bring Haley back to the screen after everything's nice and melted.
mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never what's around the next corner.
It's ready. Let's eat, Haley. Okay, let's keep a safe distance because the plate is pretty hot still. Haley, 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 look at this. Haley, Haley, look at this. Whoa! Whoa. Eat this, look at that. Whoa. Haley, lihat nih keju. Look at this. Haley, Haley. Haley, I'm just gonna eat this myself. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys enjoy seeing how cute Haley is. Please give this recipe a go. It's super easy, it's super delicious. And alright, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!